Hi, M5704. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mafi J. Ritaga. I am 29 years old from Imus, Cavite. I was born in Yabong Western Samar.
Okay.
And
Your civil status?
I have a living partner. We have four children. They are 12 and 9 years old and 5 years old and 3 years old.
Okay. Your religion?
A Roman Catholic.
And your highest educational attainment?
I am a high school graduate.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My experience as a helper here in the Philippines, I was cooking, washing the clothes, and ironing, and also cleaning all around. Sir.
Okay, and you are also taking care of the children, right?
Yes, sir. They
How?
are
Okay.
2
They are.
years old and 10 years old.
Okay. Since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
First, I will wash my hands, wash the bottle, sterilize, and I will put the milk and the warm water, and I will shake the bottle, and I will check the temperature, then I will feed the baby.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check if she have a sick feeding baby, and I will change the diaper.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you change the diaper, you also feed the baby. And you also check the temperature, maybe the baby has sick. Everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
I will call my employer and I will tell them that the baby doesn't want to stop crying.
Okay, because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry,
Yes, sir.
or maybe the baby is have a medical history that only the parents knows,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong just because to provide my family's needs and I want to give them a better life and also for my children I want to give them a better future.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I finished the contract and if my employer want me to want me to extend my contract then I will I will extend my contract,
So
sir.
it is okay to you to extend your contract
Yes,
if your
sir.
employer wants you to extend. Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitor and asked you to go inside of the house and your employer doesn't at home that day? What you should do?
First, I will call my employer. Then I will tell them if they have an expecting visitors.
And if they don't have any expected visitors,
I will call the police, lock the door, and I will not entertain the visitor.
the person outside.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's the right thing you should do because they were claiming that they were a visitor, but it's not, right? It's too
Yes,
dangerous
sir.
to entertain people that you doesn't know and also your employer doesn't know, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
To be honest, I don't have any idea, sir. But I am willing to learn. I will watch on YouTube or buy menu books.
Okay. And you could also help your employer if they have a time to prepare foods for their families. You could
Yes,
also
sir.
have them help them so that you could learn how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir.
If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provides.
Yes, sir.
I saw that you have a long hair. It is okay to you to cut into short.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly? Have them go to bed, to the bathroom, to
Yes, sir.
hospitals?
I-
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir. I am willing to.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me. I am um, honest, I will do my best, and I am a trustworthy, and I will do everything you want, and I will take care of your kids.
Okay. Can you also follow the rules and regulations of their house?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mafe. Thank
Thank
you.
you, and have a nice day.
Okay.